I'm Andrew Mattis. I go by Andy. Been at HRCT 7.5 years now. Ultimately, I think I've become the utility player. I'm doing a little bit of everything now. My primary role is on the projects team, so that's going to be new customer onboardings, some of the offboardings. If you get a major project like you're doing a network overhaul, then support-wise, just out in the field, taking care of things on site. I like being hands-on. Previous lives or whatever, I was in the Navy and I was a technician, worked in technical ratings there. So like being hands-on troubleshooting is where I thrive at. At the ripe age of 40, a few years back, I realized I'm a bit of an entertainer. Been doing improv comedy for 3.5 years now. Doing a little stand-up as well. How I found improv was a lot of Dungeons and Dragons, because at the end of the day, I'm still a nerd. If you're a client with a business and you're wondering if HRCT is right for you, this is what I would tell you. If you want somebody local that understands your needs in your business and has that personal touch, somebody that you can build that relationship with, I think HRCT is the fit for you.